Hello students, welcome to my maths class. So in the last class I have done up to exercise 7D of chapter number 7 up to question number 4. So now I shall start from question number 5. So 1 by 12, 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 12 plus 5 by 6. So first what we need to convert into what? Like fractions. Then what? Then we need to add. Okay. So first First we shall convert into like fractions. Then what? Then we shall add. Okay. So see the first one. So I shall solve question number 1. There are 4 questions. So 2 I shall solve and 2 you can practice. So question number 1 I shall solve, and which question? Okay, question number last I shall solve. Okay, and B and C you can solve. Question number 5A, chapter number 7, exercise 7D. Okay, exercise 7D, question number 5A. Okay, so what is there? Let us see. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3 plus what? 1 by 3. Okay. So these things what? These things we need to add. So one thing you do, okay, you can do like this also. No need of taking this one. You take the LCM of these 3. 12 plus 6 plus 3. Okay. So if you take LCM, then you can do like this also. So here it is what? 12. So take LCM as 2. Here you divide by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 3. 3 will remain same. Then again with 3 2 are 1 1. Okay, again with 2 1 1 1. Okay, that means what? Let us check what is the LCM. 3 2 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 12 1 are 12, 12 1 are 12. So what? It is what? LCM is what? 12. Okay, now what? Now you divide this 12 by this 12. Okay, like this you can divide. So if you divide this 12 by this 12, then it is coming what? 1. So 1 1 are 1. Okay, plus if you divide by this one, then it will come what? So, or you can do like this. Or you can do like this. If you divide this one, then the answer coming what? 1. So 1 into this one. Okay, then plus 6 divided by 12, it is what? 2. 6 2 are 12. So 2 into this one. Okay, plus 3 4 are 12. So 4 into this one, whatever will be there in the numerator. Okay, now what? 1 plus 2 1 are 2 plus 4 3 are what? 12. Okay, now if you add, then you will get the answer. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 12, it is 15, 15 by 12. Now you can divide this one, cancel this one to the lowest term. So 15 5 with 4, sorry, with 3, 3 5 are 15, 3 4 are 12. Okay, it is in what? It is 5 by 4. That is what? It is in what? Twelve 1 are 12, 1, 6 2 are 12, 2 1 are 2 plus 3 4 are 12, 4 1 are 4. 12 plus 4 it is 14. 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Sorry, here it is what? 4 into 3, not here. 1 into here. 4 into what? 1. Here what? 4 into 1. Okay, so what? 1 plus 2 plus 4, it is what? 7 by 12. Okay, so now come to question number D. Okay, so question number D, what is there? You see, 9 by, question number D, 1 by 20 plus 3 by 20, 10 plus 2 by what? 5. 2 by 5. 1 by 20 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 5. So take LCM. 20, 10, 5. 20, 10 and what? 5. So if you take LCM, then with 2. 2 10 jar, 2 5 jar, and 5 will remain 5. Because I cannot divide. Now with again with what? With 5 I can divide all. 5 2 jar 10, 5 1 jar 5, 5 1 jar 5. Now again with 2 I can divide. So at last what we got? What? 1. Okay. So what? We got what? 1. So 5 2 jar 10, 10 2 jar 20. So we are getting what? 20 as a LCM. Okay, now divide 20. If we divide 20 by 20, then we are getting what? 1. So 1 into this numerator 1. 1 into 1. Okay. Then what? Plus 10 2 jar 2 into 3. Okay. 2 into 3 plus 5. How much? 5 4 jar 20. So 4 into 2. This numerator 2. Okay. Now 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 3 6 plus 4 into 2 is what? 8 by 20. Now if we add the 6 plus 1 5, 5 plus 8 13, 13 by 20. That is the what? Required answer. 13 by 1 by 20 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 15. D. So let me check. 1 by 20 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 15. If we take LCM, then 20. So 21 jar 20. 10 by 20. So 10 2 jar. 2 3 jar 6. Then 5 by 20. 5 4 jar. So 4 into 2 is what? 8. 6 plus 1 it is what? 5. 5 plus 8. Or 7 plus, oh, it is 15. Okay, 15. Now what? Now you can cancel. So 15 with 5. 5 3 jar 15. 5 4 jar what? 20. That is what? 3 by 4. Okay. Now another one, let me solve. Which one? Question number B. It is B. Okay, let me solve this one also. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 12 plus 5 by 36. Okay. So what? It is D. Now I am solving what? 5D. Now I am solving 5B. So 5B, what is that? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. 2 by 3 plus, wait, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 12. 1 by 12. Okay. And 5 by 36. Okay. 2 by 3, 1 by 12, 5 by 36. 5 by 36. Okay. Now take LCM. 3 12 36. 3 12 36. Okay, so with 3 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6, 3 1 jar 3, 3 2 jar 6. And what? With 2 1 remain, 2 1 jar 2, 2 6 jar 12. With 3 1 1, 3 2 jar 6. With 2 1 1 and also 1. Okay, so what? With 2 1, 2 1 jar 2, 2 6 jar 12. Again with what? 3 2 jar 3. You can do also with, here you write 3, here you write 3, here you write what? 2. Okay, 1 1. So what? 3 2 jar 6 and 3 2 jar 6, 6 6 jar 36. So what? 36 is the what? LCM. Now what? 3 how many jar? Yes, 3 12s are 36. 3 12s are 36 and 2. Okay, plus 12 2s are 36. 12 3s are 36. So 3 into what? 1. Here 1. Plus 36 1s are 36. So 5 into what? 1. Okay. Now what? 12 into 2 it is 24. Plus 3 into 1 it is 3. Plus 5 into 1 it is what? 5. By what? 36. Now what? 24 plus 3 27. 27 plus 5 32. 27 plus 5 32. Now you can cancel this one with 2. 2 16 jar, 2 18 jar, again 8 2 jar, again 9 2 jar. So it is coming what? It is coming what? 8 by 9. So answer is what? 8 by 9. Okay, 8 by 9 is the what? Required answer. Now come to question number 6. 6 all are also same. Okay, let me show only 2. Which one? The bigger one I shall solve. Okay, question number 1 small and 1 big. So question number, which one? Question number 1 and sorry, question number B and question number D I shall solve. Okay, question number B and question number D both are big. Okay. Question number B, what is there? 6B. 6B, what is there? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 15 plus what? 1 by 15. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 3 by 10 plus what? 1 by 15. Okay. Now take LCM. LCM will be 5, 10, 15. First start with what? 5, then 5 1 jar 5, 5 2 jar 10, 5 3 jar 15. So LCM will be 5 2 jar 10. Okay, 10 3 jar 30. Okay, it will be what? 30 is the what? LCM. Now divide 5 how many jar? 5 6 jar 30. So 6 into 2. Okay, and 10 3 jar 13. Plus 3 into this 3. Okay, now 15 2 jar 2 into 1. Okay, now what? Now you add. So 6 12 plus 9 plus 2. Okay, so 9 plus 2 it is what? 14. 12 plus 2 it is what? 14. 14 plus 9 23. 23 by 30. Okay, 23 by 30. Now come to question number D. Okay, question number D, what is there? 19 by 16 plus 5 by 8 plus 5 by 24. Both are what? 5. Okay, so what? 16 8 24. 16 8 24. Let us check the LCM. With 2 if we start, then what? With 2 if you start here, 16 8 24. So with 2 let us start. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 12s are, again 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 6s are, again 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, again 2 1s are, 1 remain 3, again with 3 1 1 will remain, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 1 1 will remain, then 3 1s are 3. Now you count 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 16 3s are 48. Okay, so here LCM will be what? LCM will be what? 48. LCM will be what? 48. 16, 48. Okay. So let me check. From there you can find 8, 24. So 2, let me check again. 2, okay. So what? Now what? We need to what? So what? 16 how much are? 16 what? 16 3s are, so 19 into 3. Okay, plus 8. So here like this you can do. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8. Remain what? 6. Okay. So what? 6. So 6 5 jar. Okay. Now what? 24 I think 2 jar. 4 2 jar 8 and 2 2 jar 4. So 5 2 jar 10. Okay. Now what? Now what? 48. So what? 19 3 are 57, 6 5 are 30, 5 2 are 10. Now add 30 plus 10, it is what? 40. 40 plus 5, 90, 97. So it will be what? 97 by what? 48. 97 by what? 48. By what? 48. So that is the what required answer. Now come to question number 7. Fill in the blanks. So question number 7, you check what is there. Question number 7, what is there? 1 plus 2 by 7 goes to what? How much? You need to find. Okay. So what? So I'll solve only 2. Okay. So you see, if you take LCM. So if you take LCM, then here nothing is there. That means 1. So 7 1 are 7. So if you divide, then 1 7 are 7. So 7 into 1, it is what? Okay. Plus 7 1 are 7. 1 into what? 2. Okay. So what? 7 1 are 7 plus 2 1 are 2. Okay. So here what? 7. It is 9 by 7. So what? Here 9 by 7. So it is what? Mixed fraction. It is what? Improper fraction. Take into what? Mixed fraction. So 7 1 are 7 plus 2, it is what? 9. So 1 1 by 1 2 by 7. So it will be 1 2 by 7. Okay. Now come to question number, which one? Question number, okay, see question number D, last one. 6 plus 6 by 5. Okay, so if you take LCM, then it will be 5 because here 1 is there. So between 1 and 5, whenever you cannot divide, we multiply the numbers, then we'll get what? LCM. Here 1 and 5. So 1 comma 5. Here nothing is there, that means what? 1 is there. Okay. So 1 comma 5 we cannot divide by anything, so we shall multiply, then we'll get the what? LCM. So 1 into 5, it is what? 5. Okay. So it is what? 6 into what? 5. Okay. Plus what? 5 1s are 5, so 6 into what? 1. Okay. So it will be at 6 5 at 30 plus 6, 36. So 36 by what? 5. 36 by what? 5. So take into mixed fraction. 5 6 are 5 7 are 35, even 1. So 7 1 by 5. So that is the answer. Now rest more sample practice you can practice at your home. Okay. Now come to question number. Now come to exercise H 7E. Exercise what? 7E. These all questions are same. Many questions given. These all are in the same process. Okay. So from question number, you see question number 1 and 2 both are same. Okay. So from question number 1 I shall solve one, and from question number 2 I shall solve one. Okay. Both are same. Both are in the same method. So what question number, from question number 1, which one I shall solve? From question number 1. Okay, let me solve question number 1 first. Let me show question number 1 first. What is there? 7, exercise 7E. Exercise 7E. Okay. So from question number 1, what is the question? Let me see. 3 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, I need to add this one. So in this case, what we will do? In this case, first we will break this mixed fraction. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, it is what? 7. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now we take LCM 2. So as I said earlier, that if the two denominators are same, so we can directly add the what? Numerators. So 7 plus 1, it is what? 8 by 2. So it is what? 4. Answer is what? 4. Now come to last. These all are same. Okay. What is there? 2 5 by 8 plus 1 5 by 16. So first you break this fraction. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5, it is what? 21. And 16 1s are 16. 16 plus 5, again what? 21. Okay. Now take 8 and 16 LCM. Since what? 8 2s are 16. So 8, this one can divide this one. So the bigger one will be the LCM. 16 will be the what? LCM. As I said earlier. So now 8 2s are 16. So 2 into 21 plus 16 1s are 16. That means 21 into 1. Or you can write like this, 1 into 21. Okay. So here 42 plus 21 on the 21. 21 2s are 42. Okay. Now 16. Now if you divide plus it, then 2 plus 1 3 and 4 plus 2 it is 6. 63 by what? 63 by 63 by what? 16. Now we cannot divide, so let us take into what? Mixed fraction. So what? 16 3s are 48. So 63 minus what? 48. It will be what? 13 minus 8, it is what? 5. Here remain what? 5. 5 minus 4, it is what? 1. 15. Here will be what? 15. So this one I have already shown how to take into mixed fraction by dividing. Okay. So these things I have already shown. So you divide and get the answer. After dividing, the denominator, whatever the denominator is here, it will remain same, and the quotient will be written as a natural and the remainder will be written as a numerator after dividing. Okay, now come to question number 2. 5 by 12, 5, 7 by 16. Okay, let me do question number 2, 1 and C. These are long. So question number 2A, 5 by 12 plus 5, 7 by 16. Okay, so what you solve it? 5 by 12 plus what? 5, 7 by 16. Okay, so if we solve, we will get the answer. So first one, you break this one, 5 by 12, this one you break 5, 80, 87, 5 16 are what? 80, 80 plus 7, 87, 87 by what? 16. Now take LCM, 12 and what? 16. If we take LCM, then it will be what? With 2s, 6 2s are 12, 8 2s are 16, with 2 3 4, with 3 1 4 4 1 1. So 4 3s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. So it will be what? 48, because 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So 12 how much are 48? 12 4s are, so 4 into 5, okay, plus 16 3s are, so 3 into what? 87. Okay, so if you now multiply, then 4 5s are what? 20, plus here 3 7s are 21 and remain 2, 3 8s are 24, 25, 26, 261. Now what? 261 and 20, that is what? 8 1 2, 281, 281 by what? 48. So this one we can divide with, I think maybe with 3. Let us see. 3 9s are 27. Now with 3 it is not possible. And this one what? So you can keep here 281. Okay. So what? Now divide this one, you will get what? Divide this one and take into what? Mixed fraction. Okay. Divide this one and take into what? Mixed fraction. Okay. So what if we divide this one, then what? You see 48, 2s are how much? 8 2s are 16 and 1. Okay. So what? Here remain what? 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9, 96. So 48 3s are how much? 48 3s are how much? So what? 48 3s are how much? $144. Like this, let us go with 48. 48 9s are how much? Let us check. With 9s it will be what? 48 4s are how much? 4 4s are 16, 17 18 19, 192, 192. Okay, and 48 into 5, 240, okay, and 48 into 6, 288. So what? 288. Let me check what is the answer. It is given 5 with 5, 240. Yes, with 5 last, because with 5 what? 240. So if I divide it what? 240, then it is coming what? 240. Okay. So if I divide it what? 48 by 240, 5 jar what? 240. Now subtract here what? 1. Here 8 minus 4, it is what? 4. So now we cannot divide further. Okay. So what? That will be the answer. So these are the rough portion. Okay. Okay. So answer will be what? This will be 48 by 5, 41 by 48. So that is the what actually required answer. Okay. So now come to question number C. 3 9 by 20 and 4 2 by 15. Okay. So what? 3 9 by 20, 3 9 by 20, 3 9 by 20 plus 4 2 by 15, 4 2 by 15, 4 2 by 15, 3 9 by 20 plus 4 2 by 15. Now add 3 to the 6, 60, then what? 69, 69 by 20 plus what you see here? 3 to the 6, so it will be 60, 60 plus 9, 69. Here what? 62 by 15. How? 4 15 jar 60, 60 plus 2 it is 62. Now 15 and 20 take LCM. So with 5, 5 3 jar, 5 4 jar. Okay. So 5 3 jar 15, 15 4 jar 60. So what? 60 is the what? LCM. Okay. Now 20 how many jar? 23 jar 60. So 3 into 69. Okay. Plus 15 2 jar 62 into what? 2. Okay. Now how much? 60 by 69 into 3, 69 into 3, 3 9 jar 27, hand remain 2, 6 3 jar 18, 19 20, 207 plus 2 2 jar 4 and 6 2 jar 12. Okay, 124. Now add 207 and 124. If we add, then 7 plus 4 11, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 3 3 1 by 3 3 1 by 60. Okay. Sixty plus 9 69, for 60 plus 2 it is 62. So what if I divide, then 2s are 20, 23s are 3. Okay, 207. Then what? 15 2s are 62, 2s are 1, 4, 124. 2 2s are 4 and 6 2s are 12. 207s 11 and 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3, 3 3 1 by 60. Okay. So what? It will be what? 331 by what? 60. Now what? We need to check whether it is divisible or not. Okay. Let us check with what? 5. 331 with 5. Let us check. 5. 5 6 are what? 30. What? Just you what? Just you take this one into what? Mixed fraction. You take this answer into what? Mixed fraction, they will get answer. Okay. 6331 by 60. What? Let us check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 3 6 6 plus 1 7. Okay. So divide 60 by 331. Okay. So we'll get the answer. Now what? 62 jar how much? 63 jar how much? 65 jar. Let us 0 300. 65 jar what? 300. And 331. Then 66 jar how much? 36. 360. So 65 jar how much? 300. Okay. So 1 here 3 31. Okay. 31. So it will be what? 31. Now we cannot divide further. So what? 60 by 60. 60. You can write what? 60. Here 5. Here what? 31. 31. Let me check once again the answer. What is there? Question number 7, exercise 2C. Answer is 7 by 12. 7 by 12. Okay, let me do this one again. Is there any mistakes? Let me check. Wait, don't do this one. Is there any wrong or what? Let me check. 3 9 by 20. 3 9 by 20. Question number C. Let me check again. 3 9 by 20. Okay, then what? Plus 4 2 by 2 by 15. Okay, 4 2 by 15. Let me solve again. If I take LCM, then what? 20 and 15. If I take with 5 4 jar 20 and 5 3 jar 15. So it is what? 60 LCM. Sorry, you go first, you break this one, then you take LCM. So it is what? 20, then 3 into 20 plus 9 plus 15 into 4 plus 2. 15 into 4 what? 15 into 4 plus 2. Okay, now what? Now it is what? 3 to the 6. 60 plus 90, 69 by 20. Okay, plus 60 plus 2 by 15. Okay, so at 69 by 20 plus 62 by 15. Okay, LCM will be what? LCM will be what? Where you write? LCM will be what? 60 Okay, so 20, how many is that? 23 are 60, so 69 into 3 plus so 4 into 62. Okay, 4 into what? 62. So now you check 60. Okay, then 3 9 are 27, then 6 3 are 18, 20 plus here 4 2 are 8. Okay, and 6 2 are 12. Okay, 4 2 are 8 and 6 2 are what? Okay, now add 207 and 128. 435. Three 5. Okay, 8 plus 7 it is what? 15 and 1, 2 plus 1 and 1 3, and 2 plus 1 it is what? 3. So what? 335 by what? 60. 335 by what? 60. Now we can cancel it. Earlier it was wrong, now we can cancel it. So what? It will be what? With 5 if we cancel, then 3 with 5 6 are 30. Okay, 6 are 30 and 5 7 are 35. So remain 3, 5 7 are 35. 5 7 are what? 35. But this one what? 5 12 are. So answer coming what? 67 by 12. Now you solve. So 67 by 12. After that you come here. Okay, you write the answer here. Okay, from there come here. Okay, so divide 67 by 12. Wait, let me check it. Wait, it is there. 69 7 and 3 9 are 69 into 3 2 to the 7 and 62 into what? 62. So with 4 2 are 62 into 4 2 are 8, 248. Okay, it is coming what? 248. But 207 248. Add it. 455. Okay, 455 is coming what? 248 by what? 60. So it is what? 60 by 207 and 248. Number 455. So this one you can cancel. 5 with 5. 5 9 are 5 1 are. Okay, this one 12 are. Okay, okay, now you see, now if you divide this one, then what? With 12, then what? 12 7 are what? 84. So here what? 91. So 91 minus 84, how much? 7. So it will be what here? 7. So that is the what actually required answer. Earlier the calculation was wrong. Somewhere I made mistakes for that reason. Okay. So what? Now come to question number 3. 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 2 5 by 8. So this one finished. Okay. Now question number 3. 3 plus 3 by 4 and 2 5 by 8. 5 plus 3 2 by 3 plus 2 1 by 9. So I shall solve only 2. Okay. So 3 plus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 2 plus 5 by 8. So first one you see. So first one is what? 3a. 3 plus 3 by 4. 3 plus 3 by 4 plus what? 2 5 by 8. 2 5 by 8. Okay. So first you break this one. 3 plus 3 by 4. Keep this one and break this one. 8 to jar 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it is what? 21 by 8. So now what? Now you take the LCM. So 4 8 1 1 4 8. Obviously what? LCM will be what? 1. We keep this one with 2. Let us take 2 to jar 4, 4 to jar 8. Again 2 1 1 2. So what? LCM will be what? 2 to jar 4, 4 to jar 8. 8. So this one 1. So 3 into 8. Okay. Here 1. If you divide it 1, then 1 8s are 8. Okay. So 3 8. Okay. 3 into 8. 4 2s are 8. So plus 2 into 3. And what? 8 1s are 8. So 21 into 1. Okay. Now what? 24 plus 6 plus 21 1s are 21 by what? 8. Okay. By what? 8. Now add it. 24 plus 6, it is what? 30. 30 plus 21. 30 plus 21, it is what? 51. Okay. So 51 by 8. So what? 51 by 8. So if you take into mixed fraction, it will come 8, 48, 49, 50, 51. It will be 3. Okay. That is the answer. So actually this is the what? Required answer. Okay. Or you write here. If you get confused, then come here, you write after this at what? 8. Okay. So now question number B, C, these all are same. You can do like this. Okay, no problem. By just by what? Making the fractions, you can do all these things. Okay. So from question number, so this exercise finished. Now come to exercise 7F. Okay. Convert into like fractions. In what? In exercise 7E, all are exactly same. The same process you need to what? Apply. Just to break the mixed fraction, then take LCM, then multiply and get the answer. Okay. And do the calculation slowly so that you cannot make mistakes. Okay. So 7E what? Convert into like fractions and subtract. Earlier what we have done? Earlier we have done what? Addition. Now in this case what? We will do what? Subtraction. So what? You see question number 1A. Exercise 7F. 7F. Okay. So 7F, what is their number? A. What is there? Convert into like fractions and subtract. Convert into like fractions and subtract. So what? Number A, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So how to make what? Like fractions. like fraction, that means what? Making the denominator equal. So how to make the denominator equal? First you take LCM. Therefore write LCM of 4 comma 2, it is what? 4. You see 4 comma 2 will be what? 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2 1 1. So 2 2s are what? 4. Therefore you write 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. Okay. So what? Here what? 4, here also 4. So 4 1s are 45, multiply here, then I need to multiply here as like earlier. So it is 3. Now 2 2s are 4, here 2. So 2 1s are 2. Okay. Now both are like fractions, so I can add. So right now here add you. Now what? Add. If we add, then 3 by 4, okay, plus 2 by 4. So we know that whenever both the denominators are same, then you can take any one number as LCM and you can directly add the numerators. 3 plus 2. It is what? It is 3 plus 2. It is what? 5. 5 by 4. Okay. So what? 5 by. Oh, here one thing you do here. Sorry. Here what? We need to subtract. So here minus. So it will be at 4. So 3 minus 2. It is what? 1 by 4. That is answer. Okay. Here minus. Already I have done what? Plus. Now come to question number D. 3 1 by 5. So you see question number D. 3 1 by 5 minus 3 1 by 5 minus 1 7 by 10. 1 7 by 10. Okay. 1 7 by 10. So here you see what? So if I break this one, then 3 5 is 15 and 1 16. 16 by 5 minus 10 1 is 10 and 1 17. Okay. So in between 5 and 10, the LCM will be what? 10, because 5 can divide. So whenever I say that what? Whenever what? Both the denominators are divisible to one another, then what? Then the greatest will be the what? LCM. So here 10 is the LCM. So 5 2s are 10. So 2 into 16. Okay. Minus 10. If I divide, then 10 1s are 10. So 1 into what? 17. Okay. So what? 10 by 32 minus 17. It is what? 10 by 32 minus 17 is what? 12. So 12 minus 7. 5. Here remain what? 2. 2 minus 1, it is what? 1. 2 minus 1, it is what? 2 minus 1, it is what? 1. Now what? 3 5 jar, 3 2 jar, 3 by 2. So this one I can write in mixed version. 2 1 jar 2. Remain what? 3. So 1 you add here. Okay. Plus 1 3. So 1 1 by 2. Okay. So now come to question number 2. Subtract 15 by 16 minus 3 by 8. Okay. So here 3 questions are there. So from this I shall solve only 2. 1 you solve. Okay. So question number 2a. So question number 2a, what is there? 15 by 16 minus 3 by 8. 15 by 16 minus what? Minus 3 by 8. We need to what? Subtract. So before subtracting we need to take the LCM. Since 8 can divide what? 16. So 16 will be the LCM. Okay. Or you can take LCM. This is a shortcut method I am showing. 2 4s are, okay, then 8 2s are, again 2 2s are, again what? 2 4s are. Again if you take, then here you see 8 and what 16, 2 4s are 8 2s are 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1 remain 1. So if you multiply you get 16. You see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So and if you see that both are divisible to one another, 8 can divide 16 or this can divide that one, so you write the what bigger one. So here what 16 is the what LCM. So 16 1 by 16, that is what here 1 into 15 minus 8 2s are 16, so 2 into what 3. So what 15 minus 6, it is what 16. So 15 minus 6, it is what 9. Okay, so 9 by what 16, 15 minus 6, it is what 9. So what answer is what 9 by 16, and it is in what proper fraction. Okay, so now come to question number C. So what question number C, what is there? You see 2C. 2C, what is there? 13 by 16 minus 9 by 32. So since what 16 and 32, so 16 to the 32, so 16 can divide, so I can write directly 32 is the what LCM. So 16 to the 32, so 2 is there, so 2 3s are 2 13s are here minus what 1 into 9 or 9 into what 1. Okay, so what we are writing 32. Okay, then 26 minus 9 ones are what 9. Okay, now I can write what, now 26 minus 9 what, you need to find what subtract. Okay, so what 26 minus 9 what, that is 17. Here it will become 16, 16 minus 9 17, 2 minus 1, it is 1. Okay, so 17 by 32, and it is in what lowest form and in proper fraction. Okay, then now come to question number 3. So see question number 3. So question number 3, what is there? From 3 I shall solve again 2. Okay, see question number 1, 5 by 6, all are in the same pattern, so for that reason I am not doing all. Okay, you can practice at your home more and more. Okay, so 5 by 6 minus 2 by 9, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 9. So if you take LCM, then 6 cannot divide 9, 9 cannot divide 6, so I need to take what LCM directly by division. 2 3s are 3 2s are 6 and what 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. Okay, so what 18 is the what LCM. Now what 6, how much 6 3s are 18, so 5 into 3. Okay, minus 9 2s are 18, so 2 into what 2. Okay, 15 minus 4 by 18, it is what 11 by what 18. Okay, now come to question number B. All are same. Okay, 12 by what 11 by 12 minus 7 by 15. Okay, so take LCM 12 and 15. If you take then with 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are what 20. 4 5s are how much 20. 23s are 60. Okay, then 12 5s are 5 into 11 minus what 15, how much 4s are, so 7 into what 4. Okay, so 55 minus 28 by 60. Again what? 58, 55 minus 28. How much? 7. Okay. I remain what? 4. It is what? 4. 2 minus 2, it is what? 27. So 27 by what? 60. Now you can divide with what? 3. 3 9s are 27 and 3 20s are what? And 3 20s are 60. Answer is what? 9 by 20. Answer is what? 9 by 20. Okay, question number 3B done. Now come to question number 4. So question number 4A. What is there? 4 minus 3 by 7. 4 minus what? 4 minus 3 by 7. So if you take LCM, then here 1. So 1 and 7 LCM will be directly what? 7. Because what? We cannot divide. So 4 into 7 minus 7, 3 into 1. Okay. 28 minus 3 by 7. It is what? So it is what? 25 by 7. Now what? You take into mixed fraction. So if you take into mixed fraction, then 7 here. 7 5 jar 35. 7 4 jar 28. Then what remain? Sorry, 7 4 jar 28. 7 3 jar 21. 21 remain 4. So here, okay, 3 4 by 7. Then come to question number D. Okay, D, what is there? Oh, sorry, C. 4C. 4C. 7 minus 13 by 25. 7 minus 13 by 25. So if I take, then 25 will be the LCM. Okay, so 25 into 7. Okay, minus what? 1 into 13. Okay, now what? 25. So 25 into 7. 175. 5 7 jar 35 and remain 3. 7 2 jar 14. 15 16 17. Minus 13 1 jar 13. Is what? 25. Now 175 minus what? 13. Okay, 5 minus 3 2. 7 minus 1 6. 162. Okay, 162. So it is coming what? 162. So take into mixed fraction. So it will be what? 25. How much? 162. 25 6 are how much? 150 and 2 and 6 minus 5, it is 1. It is 1 remain what? 12. So it will be what? 6, then remainder 12. So that is the what? Answer. Now come to question number 5. So question number 5 you see. So question number 5, what is there? So question number 5, what is there? 5 1 by 2 minus 3 by what? 4. 5 1 by 2 minus what? 3 by 4. 5 1 by 2 minus what? 3 by 4. So what? It will be like this. First you what? you break this mixed fraction. Okay, 5 2 are 10, 11 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So if I take LCM 2 and 4, so it is divisible, so 4 will be LCM. So 11 into 2 will be, and here minus 3 into what? 1. How? 4 4 jar 4 1 jar 4, so 3 into 1. So 11 2 jar 22 minus 3 by what? 4. 22 minus 3 by 4. So it will be what? 19 by 4. 19 by what? 4. It will be what? 19 by 4. The 4 4s are what? 16. 4 4s are what? 16. Okay, 17, 18, 19. So 3 remain. Okay, 4 3 by 4. Okay, now come to question number B. 3 4 by 15. Question number B, what is there? 3 4 by 15 minus 7 by 5. Okay, so first you break 5 15 jar 3 15 jar 45. 45 plus 4, it is what? 49 by 15 minus 7 by 5. So 15 and 5, it will be what? LCM will be what? 15. So it will be what? 49 into 1. Okay, minus 5 3 jar 7 into what? 3. So 49 minus 21 by 15. Okay, 7 3 jar 21 by 15. Now what? Now you solve. So what? 49 and 21, if we subtract, then what? 9 minus 1, it is what? 8. Okay, then here remain what? 4 minus, it is what? 28. Okay, so it is what? 28. So now what? If I take into mixed fraction, then what? Then 15 1 jar 50, 15 2 jar 30. So 15 1 jar 15. So 28 minus 15, how much remain? 3 1. It will remain what? 13. So that is the what? Answer. Okay, now come to question number 6. Is what? 5b plus. Now 6. Okay, 6a. You see 8 3 by 10. 8 3 by 10 minus 4 5 by 4. 8 3 by 10 minus 8 3 by 10 minus 4 5 by 8 3 by 10 minus 4 5 by 4. So here you see 8 10s are how much? 80. 80 plus 3 is what? 83 by 10 minus 4 4 are 16. 16 plus 5 21. 21 by 4. Okay, 21 by what? 4. 8 3 by 10 4 4 by 5. Wait 8 6a. 8 3 by 10 4 4 4 by 5. 4 4 by 5. So 5 4 are 20. 20 plus 4, it is what? 24. 24 by 5. Now if I take LCM 10 and 15, they are divisible, so 10 will be what? LCM. Okay, 10 will be their what? LCM. Now what? Now divide 83. It will be what? 83 into 1, because 10 1s are 10. 1 into 83, 83 minus 5 2s are 10. So 24 into 2. Okay, so it will be what? 10 by 83 minus 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 48. So write what is there? 10 and 83 and what? 48. If you subtract, then 13 minus 8, it will be what? 5. 8 plus 5, it is what? 13. Here remain what? 7. 7 minus 4, 35. Okay, here what? 35. So what? 35. Now you can cancel this one with 5. 5 7 jar 35, 5 2 jar 10. So this one what? This one what? 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 I can write in mixed fraction like this. What? 7 by 2 I can write like this in mixed fraction. What? How it is? 2. 2 4 jar 8. So 2 3 jar 6. Okay, 7. So 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 is the what? Required answer. Okay. So now come to question number. So like this, 8 all are 6 all are same. You do like this. One I have done. 6 all are same like this. Okay. So from this step come to this one. Then under this step you write this step, and under this step you write this step. Okay. There is no space, so I have written like this. But you write like this. Okay. So question number 6 all are in same pattern. Just you calculate. Okay. Now let me show question number 7. Okay. So question number 7, what is there? So question number 7, it is what? 5 minus 3 by 4. 5 minus 3 by 4. So let me show. 5 minus 3 by 4. So these actually all are easy. 5 minus 3 4 are what? Same pattern. 3 4 are 12. 12 plus 3, it is 15 by what? 4. Now if you take LCM, then here 1. So 1 and 4 LCM will be what? 4. So 5 4 are 20. 5 into 4. Okay. Minus 15 into 1. How 1? If you divide 4 by 4, then 1 coming. 1 into 15, it is what? 1. Now what? Here 4. So 5 4 are 20. 15 1 are 15. It is coming what? 5. Okay. So 20 minus 15, it is what? 5. Answer coming what? 5 by 4. Now it is on what? It is in improper fraction. So I need to take in what? I need to take it in what? Proper fraction. So that is what? If I take in proper fraction, then 4 1 are 4, remain 1. 1 by 4. Okay. So number 2 is same. 7B same. Just digits are same. And C you see. Question number C. 7B. So what? 7B, what is there? So 7B, what is there? You see 10 minus 4 2 by 15. Okay. 10 minus 4 2 by 15. Okay. So what? First you break this one. So 4 15 are 60. 60 plus 2 is what? 62. 62 by 15. Okay. So how to break? Okay, as I have shown earlier. Okay, here I am. Okay, no need to do. Right. 4 15 are 60. 60 plus 2 is 62. Okay. So what? 10. Now if I take LCM, then here 1. That means what? 15 into 1, it is what? 1. 15. So now if I take, then 1 15 are 15. So 10 into 15, it will come here. Here 15 1 are 15 1. So 62 into what? 1. Okay. Now what? 15. Then 10 into 15, it is what? 150. Minus what? 62 into 1, it is what? 62. Now what? 15. 150 minus 62. 150 minus 62. It is how much? 10 minus 2, it is what? 8. Here remain what? 4. So 14 minus 6, 88. Okay. This coming what? 88. So 88 by what? 88 by 15. 13 3 by 7b. Yes, 7b is what? 10 minus 4 2 by 15. So 88 by 15. Okay, now take this one in mixed fraction, you will get the answer. Okay, then I shall solve what? Question number 13. See, okay, you take this one. So 15 5 jar what? 75. Okay, so 15 5 jar what? 75. So remain what? From 88 you subtract what? 75. Okay, so 8 minus 5, it is what? 3. And here remain what? 8 minus 7, it is what? 1. 13. Okay, so 5 13 by what? 5 13 by 15. 5 13 by 15. 5 13 by 15. And question number C. And question number C what? 13 by 13 3 by 8 minus 8. So this one just I am solving here. If you solve at home, just I am breaking the fraction, just solve at home. These all are same. Okay, so it will be what? C what? 13 3 by 8 minus 8. Okay, so just what? You break this one like this, 8 and 13 into 3. Okay, sorry, 13 into 8. Okay, this one you multiply, then plus 3. Okay, then what? Minus 8. Okay, then what? You solve this one, here, you get answer by 8, then minus 8, you get the what? Answer. So it is a what? Exact like question number 7b, but just this portion is given at the what? First portion. Okay, so what? 5 13 by what? 5 13 by 15 is the what? Required answer. So today up to this, and if you find any problem, then you can call me at night. Thank you very much.